What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back here at this new job that we are working on, and we are starting to get all of the rebar in. You can see how these orange rebar strap bracket things, whatever you want to call them, are starting to work. You just lay the rebar in the pre-made pockets for it. Obviously, where you have intersections, it all gets wire tied. We have bent it for the steps here. If you hear the little gun going, it's a wire tie gun that we had, which makes tying all your rebar together much easier. You can see right here, it does it for you basically. All of these are done with that gun rather than doing it by hand. But we got rebar all the way to, should be right here. So we have all these brackets in around here. These steps are going to be a little trickier because they're taller here. So we are probably going to end up just doing one bend and then wire tying them together in the end, in the intersections here. Same thing right here. The single like 1 foot steps are not that bad to bend it, but you can see where it's flat. We got all the rebar in here as well, all wire tied together. These orange brackets make it so easy. And then these guys are going around and getting this whole backside plywooded up, and then we can start backfilling it with all of this gravel here. We have a big pile over there. We got some more delivered so we don't run out, but that is what's on our schedule for today. And then maybe if the concrete company can get us concrete tomorrow, today's Thursday, if they can get us concrete tomorrow, we'll get all of this poured tomorrow hopefully, but more than likely it'll happen Monday.
Let's go.
All right guys, we just finished up lunch and we have everything pretty much done except for backfilling this whole section here. The reason you see these orange brackets not all the way to the top is because we're pouring to that chalk line that you see there. So we're not pouring to the top of the forms here. the forms where the brackets are hanging on it like that, they also have orange spray paint on the top. Those were pouring all the way to the top there, so that's why that's like that. But I'm about to hop in the machine here and we're gonna start backfilling this whole section here and get all of this ready to go. We are really pushing to try and get concrete tomorrow and get it done before the weekend, but that also depends on if the concrete company can get us concrete. We also need an inspection before we can pour. But I'm gonna hop in this loader and try and get this all backfilled. You want another, or that's it?
Nope. Condense that pile for me.
Okay.
Into 1x10 pile.
Okay. So I got to clean up that pile that we got over there of all the gravel that we've been grabbing, and then I was gonna wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow, I believe, we have concrete coming, so we'll be able to get this poured before the weekend. We had our inspection today. He said everything looked great, so no issues there. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.